Fine. Sit down. What's your name?
My name is Shafi.
Shafi. Okay. What's your name? Sit down, Shafi. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Tania.
Tania. Okay. You will say loudly, Zore. Okay. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Riyamuni.
Riyamuni. Good. What's your name?
My name is Sumayya.
Darun. What's your name?
My name is Rabia.
Rabia. What's your name?
My name is Sadia.
Sadia. Good. So how many Sadia? Sadia number 1.
2.
Sadia number 2. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Riyamuni.
Riyamuni. What's your name?
My name is Sadia.
Sadia. Okay. Good. Very good. What's your favorite color, Riyamuni?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Good. Very good. Pink. Okay. Sadia, stand up. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Good. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is a sky.
Sky. Okay, nice. Rabia, stand up.
My favorite color is green.
Green. Green. Okay. What's your favorite color?
My color name is red.
Red. Okay, red. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is a red.
Good. Very good. Tania, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color red.
Red. Good. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Good. Favorite color. Do you have favorite food? Sadia, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is milk.
Milk. Okay. Riyamuni, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is a chicken.
Chicken. Good. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is a fish.
Fish. Rabia, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fish.
Fish. Good. Next.
My favorite food is milk.
Milk. Nice. What's your favorite
My
food?
favorite color is a milk.
Milk. Tanya, what's your favorite food? Favorite food?
Roast.
Roast. Good. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food milk.
Milk. Okay. Very nice. So look at the board. Look at the board. It is a rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. And in the middle, it is a circle. Circle. Okay. This round shape is circle. And this shape is rectangle. Rectangle. If we color here red and here green, what will be this figure? National bird or national flag?
National flag.
National flag. The color of here is
Red.
red. The color of rectangle is
Green.
green. This is our national flag. Yes. Okay. Thank you. You know about color. Do you know what is the color of this chalk? Which color of this chalk? Color? Red? White. Good. White. Shafi's cloak. What color? Black. Okay. The color of mask? The color of sky. Yes, sky. Okay. What is the color of this board? Black. What is the color of this board? White. This is white board and this is black board. Okay, nice. You know about color. It may be red or green or sky or red, white, black. Do you know rainbow? Rainbow in the sky. Rainbow. This is rainbow. How many colors in the rainbow?
7 colors.
7 colors. There are 7 colors in rainbow. Yes, 7 colors. So you know about color. Okay, what is the color of this board?
White.
Color of chalk? White. Color of hair? Black. Color of teeth?
White.
White. Okay. Very nice. We know about color and food today. Now we will start our class. Open your English book.